All right, so by request, a little tutorial of the song Windmills by Toad the Wet Sprocket. The first thing about this is to be in drop D. So you basically take your standard tuning and just drop your low E string down to a D. And the song is basically in the key of D for the most part. And I'll go over the rhythm of the right hand is kind of key to this song, and so I'll play just a quick playing of the intro. So you're basically, if you think about your D in the cage system, this would be the C shape of the D chord, D major, and then you have that low D on the top. So we're gonna, in that standard C shape D chord, we're not going to use we're going to lift up our the index finger on this A note, give it that kind of sus sound, and I'll if you focus on the right hand for a minute, I'm just going to do kind of the rhythm or the pattern. So it's basically your thumb and the middle finger first, then the thumb switches to the D string, the D string. So it's thumb, middle, then on the D to G string, and then it goes back to the low D, and that's where I'm not good at counting, like, one E and a 2 E, but it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, or 3 and 4. Anyway, I'm not going to count it because I'm going to count it wrong, but I'll try to slow it down. It's kind of just this rhythm that you have to get into. And then the bass line is going from the low D. So these are staying the same. Then you're using your pinky on the left hand to hit that the 5th fret on the low E, which is a low D. To the open A string. Sorry. To the B, the B note on the A string with your index finger. Back to the open A. Now this is where your ring finger is going to hit that open E, and you're going to fret that A note. Back to the open low open D string. So the bass notes are the open D low, start fretting the fifth fret of the open D to open A, B, back to A, to back to open. Oops. Sorry. So that A note only comes on that one section, and then it goes back to being open. So that's enough for this one, just to get you started, and just practice on that rhythm. Oops. So you can practice that rhythm, listen to, play the record and play to it, and just get that rhythm down, and then it's pretty, it just takes a bit of practice, but you'll get it. Anyway, that's it for part 1. I'll come back with another one soon to go into the verses, etc. Check it out, like, subscribe, all that nonsense. Bye.